Guys, it's 30th of March, Sunday, and tomorrow the market is going to be open. Gold market XAUSD. It's kind of little messy, so let me clean up once, and we're gonna start from the beginning. This is what I was analyzing all day long, Saturday and Sunday. So first of all, I would like to tell people who's watching this video, and if they want to join with me or as a community, so you can go to description and find my Instagram link. Also, you can message me if you wanted to make a career into trading, and also hustle side hustle or make extra money. Let me know. You can always send me a message on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, and if you guys living in Japan, feel free to call me. Okay, so before we gonna start, as we know that the gold is all-time high, and this is really crazy breakup and high. So this is the all-time high, but we have 30.85, and that's the new resistance we got, and all these lines are support, and the break of the all-time 2 years ago. The last support was on 23 March 4 28, this swing high, and the market structure is break right here. So we're gonna analyze about what could happen tomorrow or next week. Is it gold is about to fall or not? And if it's fall, how we get the confirmation. So this video is only for purpose as education, and as I said in the beginning, if you're looking for to make a career, a full-time trader, or if you have been lost so much money, over $1,000, it's time to get a mentorship. Either it's me or either it's anybody who's genuinely give you education live, not as a video clip. Okay, so my education is live trading and live education, one-on-one on Zoom or Line or any other platform. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, how are we gonna figure out our resistance and support? That's the biggest key, I believe. So I'm gonna place my first resistance and support lines, which is very effective. So this is the recently resistance, gonna be support, 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 and support, support, and we take analyze here. This much is support is good enough. My price will be not coming this much down all the way to from here to here. I don't think so, but anyway, we must need the support to figure out where price and why price need to be returned. So this is the basic. So as we're looking at the trend line, we have this trend line from 25.93 to up line like this. Okay, this we have the trend line. So let's give it the price. We have this price line 26.38. the price is from here, so I'm going to draw a little bit. As we can see, the price is kind of really making a huge up, consolidating, pull back to retest breaking zone right here. You can see the breaking zone right here, high, retested, trend line, and boom, resistant breakout. This breakout now you understand. So this is the point. So once the price is breakout, once the price is high, higher low, and the higher high, right? This is the higher high. So if we give it the name here, for example, let me give it a name here. HH, maybe higher high. All right, so this is really big. We'll make it a little smaller and give it a little color background so we know this is the higher high. Okay, after this higher high we made it on a daily time frame, remember. So this is the daily time frame, and we also give it a price actually. So price, what it's done does, the price will give us this price 29.50, 49.50, around 55, whatever you can call. This area is still valid. As you all can see, this area is still valid as the price has not been retested, and price is making a new movement continuation here from this resistance. Has been breaking on a Thursday last week, and Friday it has now retested and continue made a 400 pips. 400 pips. Okay, now you need to understand. So this is what happened in the last 2 weeks. Okay, so this much we need to understand. And now the second things we need to understand, what price can do. Okay, so this is, we're gonna give it a name. For example, here we can name it as a, we can call support line. Okay, so this is become our support. Or you forget about this thing. Okay, so we give a here support, and maybe a little tiny smaller one. So this is a price line, this is the support, and also has support right now here, and also support. Okay, all right, so this support, if the price range is close, in case if the price, for example, let's say if I make it a little bigger, okay, so let's pull a little down. If daily for daily chart frame, if the price is closing within this range inside tomorrow or a whole day, and maybe the last week or next week, price could be possible to go down to this much, and then could be swing up here further, or price can go to 31, 32, 33, could be possible. That we never know, nobody knows. So okay, this is one. And if we go for smaller time frame, for example a 4-hour time frame, so what we're looking at 4-hour time frame, we look at the range area. We don't see much range, only we have this range here, one particular place where we see the price has not reached tested, and this only the area is one has to be reached tested. So price could move back anytime according to price action. And for me, my strength when I trade, I always wait for to pull back. So if there is no pullback, never ever chase in the market. So this is my mindset, or you can say this is could be the discipline. So for example, whenever price is higher, making a higher higher, or breaking a zone, or retesting a price, we need to carefully identify the price line and the range area, the trend line, and the support and the resistance. For example, if we look in the last week, the prices comes right down here and making a lower low, and we have this HNS chart pattern. So we're looking for this close up down below, and the price could made it 800 pip beautifully from here to this area, this level. So price is still respecting this support area strongly, and we have here the resistance where we see the breakout clearly, pullback, and continuation. Okay, so now we have the last resistance right here, and this resistance, it could be strong, but morning tomorrow, if the price on the opening, if it's there's no any one area is left in this trend, that price has to be retested on a 4-hour chart frame. Okay, on a 4-hour time frame. So let's go back to smaller time frame, 1 hour. We need to figure out, we need to look for if the price wanted to come back down or not. If price wanted to come down, there has to be a reason. If there's no reason, the price will continue to go fly. Okay, so we're looking at still this area. We have still looking for this resistance once, twice, 3 and 4 times. It's not been breaking. So now the range area is below 30.69 and 30.86, about 200 pips. Okay, 70, 86, 170 or 180 pips. So what we are looking for, if Monday, so for example, if we go smaller time frame, we have this smaller time frame right here. This could be our support, and this is gonna be our resistance. So if price, so in 1 hour prime frame, I look for I'm looking for exactly, I don't see much, only small area. I mean, if we look at this area, 30.59 to 60, around this area, this only the last call resistance becomes support, the last one 30.48. If the price come back here, we have the buy opportunity. If price is not breaking below this area, then the price is continued to fly and fly. We have no idea because where it's gonna be the next resistance, but I'm looking for that. If we looking for the range area, we could be find price range about here to here, 331 plus something like that area. So we can look for a different buy. So if price go above, once making above, fly new high, we nearly look for a pullback to look for a buy opportunity and continuation to exit on the new high area. Okay, so the price once go high, creating a new high, pullback, we buy from, because resistance becomes support, so we buy and exit above this area. We could be have leave some our position with the break even, if as I teach my student. But if you do not need to be wish, because the price is almost had 89% in 2 year fly, so price could have returned badly. Or if we look for a higher time frame, okay, let's go back to for a higher time frame, for a weekly time frame. Okay, for example, because last week has been done, so what weekly candle tell us? Okay, this is the weekly time frame. Let me clean up a little bit. Okay, higher high. Let me just clean up. Okay, almost done. This is only the weekly one. Okay. Okay. There's no bearish trend at all right now, because we see this. If we look at exactly what's going on, there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bullish, 1 bearish, which is look like kind of gulfing candle, but the trend line is rejected, and the prices continue to fly. So 1 2 3 4 again for almost 1 month is continuation for a bullish trend. And now what is going to be the next? Okay, so I'm gonna a little bit clean up. So need to be understand, this is the last week previous wick, higher wick. So this wick could be our retest model for the new trend. If the price is returned, this is the wick and where we can continuation to buy. So if we go from weekly to daily and to identify 3056 and go back daily time frame, yes, okay, in a higher time frame, now you can see this 3056, it is exactly the same our previous opening candle on the Friday, which has to be retested as long as the same below the previous resistance support also has not been retested, which I'm going to be right now here 3022. So this two candle, 1 and 2 candle, so okay, so not been tested. If the price go continue fly, I suggest not to chase. If you're holding a still position from the below, I think you can hold it and take your profit, book your profit. Do not hold it long. Hold long only few positions. Always book your profit and leave the market, because market has been, I already said many times that 89% has been applied. So if the market really fall, it could be fall till here 28.90 or maximum 27.48 also, and then market continuation again for this year has just begun. Or maybe if market is continuation without any reason, or I can say, or any other reason, so there will be the fight or war, you can say, about below about this Ukraine and this Russia still, but I don't think so. This is only the people are making an excuse about this, the gold is keep flying. The reason is the reality, nobody knows. So price is continuation breaking new resistance and continue making a new resistance. So it's a precious metal. So I believe once you break the resistance, let it fly, make a new resistance. When the resistance becomes support, you always need to wait for a support and making in your mind that there will be the liquidity. So whatever the price comes to the support line, you have to be remember that there will be a high liquidity. It's about where we put the stop loss about 30 to 40 50 pips. So patience and risk management is the best key. So this two area I'm gonna like loss in the moment, this one area, and also the previous area, this area has not been retested. So I suggest this area is still really valid. The price need to be retested, and if price continue tomorrow, if continue, okay, for example, if price opening tomorrow market, if it's let a little bit and continue fly, I think let it fly. Maybe you can want to sell, or you want to sell, you can sell about 31, I guess, and 31 something plus about 250 or 300 pips you can sell and take 100 to 120 100 or 120 pips you can take a profit, because every range area price only fly 200 to 300 pips. Okay, so this is all. So for me it's very simple. If I want to this is only the higher time frame. If I want to do buy, I will wait for this you can call as a FEG fair value gap. Also the resist, the previous one you can call maybe the order block. This is whatever name you want to do it, you can do it. This previous area has not been retested, so there's a reason the price has to be retested. If the price keep continue fly, I'm not buying it, I'm not chasing it. I will wait for the pullback, or I wait for the price go fly and to reach a new resistance, and I'm gonna sell. Because higher, and the basic knowledge is trading, you say you sell high and you buy the low. Okay, so I hope you get this lesson, basic knowledge. And once again, if you really want to success in a mentorship and in trading, mentorship is the best. You take any mentorship, anybody, but don't get scam. Just simple logic and sense, and take a people who can give you in the live streaming, not only the clip. So yeah, it's not free. Mine is not free. If somebody give you the free education, please go take it. And if you have been loosed already and you don't know, you're confusing where to buy and sell, and you want to recover a little bit, you're free to send me a message, or you can call me WhatsApp or Telegram or Instagram. So I wish you a happy Sunday, and tomorrow's market is going to be open. I'm very excited, and I hope to catch you soon. All right, thank you, and have a good Sunday.